Hello, I'm Brylls, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to survive a nature trail. One thing you never want to do when you're on a nature trail is stray off the beaten path, like this. I've been off the beaten path for about 30 minutes now and I'm starting to get pretty thirsty. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear that there's any water around here, so I guess I'm gonna have to drink my own piss. That was refreshing. Sometimes when you're exploring nature trails, you'll come across ancient tablets that contain languages that we can't quite understand. Luckily, from my time in Pyongyang, North Korea, I've learned that this word is amphitheater, and those are very dangerous places that you should never go to. If you look right here, my time as a detective in Guam has taught me this is a blood trail. Definitely blood. So, we're gonna follow it, see where it leads. More blood. Oh, somebody was definitely killed using this tree. Murder is a very dangerous thing to encounter on nature trails. Dying has a 100% chance rate of death, so I wouldn't recommend trying it. Ooh, what's this? Normally at a time like this, I'd use the trick I learned in Kazakhstan for telling the time, but unfortunately, it would appear there's no sun out today, so we're gonna have to resort to more prehistoric manners. If I do this, if I buy that, carry the one, and that. So it would appear that it's approximately 3 AM right now, and I think that's pretty accurate. Look what we found. I don't know what they call them in this country, but back where I'm from, we call them vicious man-eating devil birds. Vicious man-eating devil birds are very dangerous creatures, and they often are very vicious and also man-eating. Looks like we've come across a river. Unfortunately, I see no other way of getting across other than getting naked and swimming. Let's go. If you look right here, we found something. I have no idea what it is. We're gonna poke it with a stick and see if we can't find out what it is. I still have no idea what it is. It's getting pretty late and I'm getting pretty tired and cold. Unfortunately, according to park rules, I can't make a fire, so I guess I'll just have to make a shelter. Done. No. It's the vicious man-eating devil birds. We need to get out of here right now. Let's go. Look, a civilization. As the famous Chancellor Palpatine once said, this attempt on my life has left me scarred and deformed.
That's definitely $1.
We're rich.